What's the use of radio triangulation? Triangulation is the process of determining the exact location of radio transmitter. This can be done using various techniques such as through radial distance, direction, or receiving a signal from 2 to 3 different points and then assessing the exact location by overlapping of the 3 radial distance. So now, my groupmates will be explaining what is the radio triangulation and how we can solve this problem. Watch this video for more information.
Good day, I'm Jillian Game Piricha and I'm going to explain what is triangulation. The method of finding the precise position of a radio transmitter is known as triangulation. This can be accomplished by the use of numerous approaches such as radial distance, direction, or receiving a signal from 2 to 3 different points. Assessing the exact location by overlapping of the 3 radial distances, triangulation and cellular.
To locate radio using triangulation, you need a receiver that can pick up the transmission of broadcasts you want to track down in order to triangulate the location of a radio. This can be a scanner if you are looking for a broadcast transmitter, even an AM or FM radio. The direction in which the signal appears to be the loudest and then move to another location and repeat the process. The distance between the measurements may need to be several hundred yards or even miles depending on the transmitter you are finding.
Illustrations of how radio triangulation works. This can be done using various techniques such as through radial distance, direction, or receiving a signal from 2 to 3 points and assessing the exact location by overlapping of the radial distances.
A process of analyzing study results using many data collection methods is known as triangulation. It is utilized for 3 major reasons: to improve validity, to paint a clearer image of a study problem, and to examine various approaches to problem solving.
Radio triangulation is applied in mobile phones through electromagnetic radio waves called radio frequency. The triangulation is the one determining the exact location of a radio transmitter. By using cell tower triangulation, it's possible to determine a phone location within an area of about 3/4 square miles.
How do radio triangulation is applied in mobile phones? As what my groupmates have said, radio triangulation is a process of determining the exact location of a radio transmitter. Cell tower is similar to global positioning system, or what we called the GPS, which they can locate your location, and also it can track in many ways. Radio triangulation can give signals to our phones, which is why we have an internet connection. Can you locate someone's phone? Well, we have this method of tracking the phone number of a triangulation by using the nearest towers to the signal of phone, and through triangulation of signal strength with the 3 nearest towers. So you can see in this picture, you may have noticed that the antennas on this cell tower is always arranged in a triangle form, because having the antenna array in a triangle shapes allows the phone tower to detect from which of the three antennas is getting signal. Every one of the three antenna cluster covers a 120 degree with the tower and its center, and these areas by show are represented to as the alpha, beta, and gamma. Within each sector, the tower can determine the distance of the transmitting device. This is done by measuring the strength of the signal and the time in which it takes the signal to hit the destination and return.
Figure 4. Triangulation of circle display a number of interesting patterns. Common triangulation patterns with 3 circles are seen in Figure 2. Type 4A does not have a real treatment. The final position estimate is the centroid of the triangle, which is created by vertex of the circle centers. How are circles applied in radio triangulation? Type 4B represent the best case scenario, yet the most implausible, or the ultimate estimate when there is a triple root, point N. The sum of points Q and R yields the final estimate for type 4C. The final estimate for type 4E is given by the average of points T, U, and V, whereas point stands for type 4B's final estimation.
Amy lost her signal while she is attending her online class. She immediately runs outside her house to find her signal. Her house is surrounded by 3 radio towers. Using the radio triangulation, it can locate Amy's signal and also determines the distance of the towers. The first tower is at x plus 5 squared plus y minus 8 squared equals 121. The second tower is at x plus 7 squared plus y minus 5 equals 144. And the third tower is at x minus 5 squared plus y plus 9 squared equals 121. Now, among these towers, which tower has the strongest signal that Amy can locate? First radio tower is 5 plus x squared plus y minus 8 squared. Center, negative 5 and positive 7. Radius, 121 units. The second radio tower is x plus 7 squared plus y minus 5 squared. Center, negative 7 and positive 5. Radius, 144 units. Lastly, the third tower radio is x plus 5 squared plus y plus 9 squared. Center, positive 5 and negative 9. Radius, 121 units.